on that floor that might be watching, anybody else in the league that might be watching, that you can't push him around, that he ain't running no games?
No, that's one thing I worry about. I was texting with one of my Mavs buddies last night, and
European capitals to try to find something that John Durham conspiracy theory, Pizzagate. I guess we'll have everybody investigate Pizzagate, Ukrainian meddling. Well, the Russians have already got the talking points to the Republican conference, and they're following it up. So yeah, Michael. So how much stock has the president and also Attorney General Barr put in this idea? The president is looking to this to exonerate him.
Calendar days. The bill would go to the other house where it would be voted on within 30 days through a privileged fast-track process, which avoids common legislative snags like the filibuster and committee hearings. The president would then sign the law or veto it as a law. Fuck! Is you build in, and again, constitutional, has been in place for 25 years, you build in to the legislation the idea that there is a limited time for debate. And so what that does is that gets around the
The two gave him salutes, and Kaladin dropped through the clouds, which, from within, looked like dirty fog. Kaladin came out crusted in frost, and rain began pelting him, but it was growing weak.
Все.
Ты снял, да?
Да, ебать.
Сзади нет никого?
Вот это авария, бля.
Ты снял?
Да. Пиздец, ёб твою мать. Передо мной, прям. Охуеть.
Do it! That was her fault.
You really crashed?
Yep. That was her fault.
You heard David.
And she's gonna pick.
¿Cómo se vive sin
Hola, los saludos su amigo, su Julio Calexa de banda, los
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.